ver qué está haciendo Ryan aquí. Hello, Ryan.
What?
What are you doing here?
My toys?
Playing with toys? Which toys you have it?
Huh?
Which toys you have it?
Bonnie, Freddie, Wolfie's right over there.
I have something for you.
What is it?
I have a surprise.
What's this?
Open the box.
Okay. How you open it? How you open it? I can't get it.
Open it.
I tried to open it. Then you got give me the keys. The keys.
No.
Yeah. Look that over there. Go, take you. Oh, be careful. These are dangerous, guys. So don't like. Be careful with these guys. So how can we get it from here?
No, not like that.
Where?
Left and right.
All right. How we do it, Dad? How we do it? How we do it, guys? Oh, he's opening. He's opening. Oh, he's open. He's open. He's open. All right, guys. All right. Unleash it. Unleash it. Unleash it. On. Okay, still. All right. No way. Oh, what is this? Chick! What the? Oh my God. No, what the? Sorry. No! He did pee pee. He did pee pee. Idiot me. That's Chica.
Who's this? What's that?
That's Chica.
Chick what?
Chica!
Chica?
Yeah. Sorry, guys. What's this? Oh, it's from UPS. And that means what's up? Like, what's up?
No, no.
What I did. I'm gonna open. Got it! Alright. Got it! Oh my God! Look, guys! Look under there! There's a little birdie named Chica. I can't open it. So hardy. Don't put this with the sauce. I opened it. Open this up. Open this up. Quick. La la. And this below is eating the floor. Okay. Now the second part is cut it. Cut it. Let's cut it. It's so hard to cut. What is it? All right.
Show the toy.
To the door, guys. I know the camera, my voice talks weird, and you meet me, my voice talks like kind of different. Okay, guys? The camera, nah. Oh my God, that hit me on the ear. This is my doggy. My doggy. My dog. Okay, let's go back to the toy opening. Oh, she didn't look anything.
Unboxing toys.
Oh, sorry, guys. This is the toy she open it. Get the cupcake in. Get the cupcake, guys. Cupcake. Daddy, hold up.
Okay. That's all we have for today.
We got two because we got the Bonnie. Look.
Okay,
And bye.
guys. And that's all. Another toy is coming soon by FedEx. So we'll hang up with you when we get the another toys. Bye. Say bye, Ryan.
Bye.